So today I'm going to focus on XRP. XRP has done some beautiful things for us. It started from 60 cents, look here. It started from 50 cents, then went up to $3.40. That's really quite impressive. But right now it's on its pullback, and you can see that the momentum is good. It was at $3.40, $3, $2.56, and now, live, it's at $2.10. Is the bullish momentum finished? I don't think so. We need to form a reversal structure. We're not in that right now. To have a reversal structure, we need to rethink above the line. You see here, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator, and every time we come to the top, the indicator, we come to the bottom afterward. We come to the top, we come to the bottom. We come to the top, we come to the bottom. It might be time to come to the top, but I don't think it's going to be right away due to what's happening with the prices. And everyone, obviously. They're shorting XRP, and you're going to see in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what they're going to do, where they're going to go, and in my opinion, where they will return. For that, we need to go down in time frame. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame to understand the momentum, which is always the same concept. When you see the Crypto-Quebec indicator here, we buy the bottom of the indicator at $2, even here at $2.90, and we sell the top of the indicator at $2.59. Afterward, XRP descends, returns, touches the middle, and as soon as it reaches the middle of the channel, you see blue reversal candle, red vector, and then boom, boom. And it sends a pink reversal candle for a small rise, because we just bounced off $2. The price of $2, it's really like the price of $3. It's psychological. As soon as they reach it, people say it's going up. They say it's going up, it creates a crowd movement. But the decline isn't over yet. We'll see when we go down.
You see that the momentum is descending, and we're going to come back. We're going to make a V shape here. So 2 candles, maybe still, it will come back to test the middle of the Crypto-Quebec indicator. So everything is pointing us towards $1.80, so middle of the channel. The market will make a V shape, the same as here. You see the little bump in momentum. But there, we're almost there. We just broke through. And at Chester's, we just crossed the line to the other side here, you see. So it's not impossible to reach $1.80. So let's go back to the 1 hour to see, let's zoom in. And in fact, if you take this trend line, what will determine the trend continuation is the vector. If it's a green vector, it continues. A blue vector means an end. If it's a blue vector, it will fall back. If it's a green vector, it will continue to rise. And the other place where it can return is here. So if we measure the distances, the first place, it will give about 11%. But if you use 10x leverage, that will give 110%. And the other place that is interesting is the golden ratio. So if you do that, that will give around 15%. 15% with 10x, that makes 150% before taking off again for the bull run. That's a nice little profit before taking off again and buying spot. So that concludes this video. Obviously, we also have a bullish divergence. It's going to go up. That's why I tell you it's going up. The stochastic, bullish divergence. It's going to go up to here or to here. We don't know. We need to watch the candles. But in a few hours, we'll know. So that's what I see for XRP. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Hello, XRP Army. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much, and see you soon.